advanced English grammar lesson. Me of Tahseen Islam joining with my dad Anwar Islam, and this is your super awesome channel Tahseen's Lyceum. Dad, you know, we often use words like likely, unlikely, probably to describe the chance of something happening or not. Is there a difference between likely, unlikely, and probably?
Well, likely and probably, both words have similar meaning. However, while both likely and probably are adverbs, likely is usually used more like an adjective.
So likely and unlikely are adjectives?
Yes.
Therefore, we use them to say that something will probably happen or not happen in the future.
We can use them before a noun or with the verbs be, seem, and appear.
What is the most likely outcome of the referendum? It seems unlikely that inflation will fall below 3% this year.
Good example. Likely or unlikely can be followed by a verb in the to infinitive form. The structure is look, subject plus be likely or unlikely plus to infinitive. For example, the economy is likely to recover slowly after the long recession, or we can say the weather seems unlikely to change over the next few days.
Unlikely is used to describe something that has a low chance of happening or not expected to occur based on current circumstances.
It indicates a situation or event that is not probable.
Instead of unlikely, we can say not likely. She is not likely to arrive before 8 o'clock. She doesn't finish work till 7.
Look at the clouds. It's probably going to rain during the night. Probably indicates more doubt or less nearness.
It refers to the occurrence of future events. She will probably be home on Sunday.
Is she lying?
Probably.
And that's all for today.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.